Hey everyone, this is Jeff Harrison from the Edison Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you a database on our website that you can use from home with your library card. It's Britannica, so there is an adult Britannica, but today I'm going to be focusing on the children and young adult versions. The children's is pretty straightforward. Most of the stuff you're going to be using is down here. There's articles for papers, media, videos, recordings, things like that. A world atlas, biographies, Animal Kingdom, which is about animals, Tour of the USA, which is a map, and you can see the entire country. Compare countries and Geography Explorer. Compare countries is interesting. You can pick any two countries and see the differences between them. See, it compares and contrasts the forms of government, capitals, languages, religions, and things like that. Articles. So there's articles on animals, arts, places, language, plants, science and math, sports, hobbies, social studies, and world religions. So there's a lot of good stuff here. And that's pretty much the basic for the children's. Then we're going to go on to young adult, which is a bit more in-depth. It has interesting facts. Can you guess why the Atlantic is the saltiest ocean? I don't know. We'll find out later. Again, articles, media, biographies, atlas. The same things, but they're going to be more in-depth and more tailored toward high schoolers. Interesting facts again. As you know, among other things, Charles Darwin observed forces that built mountains. An epidemic is different from a pandemic. That's topical. Sacagawea joined Lewis and Clark on their journey to explore the Louisiana Purchase. And over here are the primary sources, which are really important for research papers and projects. And here's some, down here is where they have the new and revised articles. It's pretty much the same as kids, except it's, like I said, it's going to be more in-depth. Again, the same basic layout. But, yeah. It's a really good source when you're writing a research paper or doing any kind of research project. So, there you have it. Thanks.